Hi there. Today we're going to look at how to change the language on your Epson XP-3200. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using the control panel, and there's no need to have an attached PC or laptop. Now although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make all of the button presses I make very clear so you can hopefully follow this guide regardless of what language your printer is in and what language you would like it changed to. So first of all, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already here, there's a dedicated home button to be taken here. Now we're going to use the right hand arrow on the control panel here, and we're going to press this until we get to settings. So from copy, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 presses of right, and then we press OK to go in. And then we need to go to printer setup, which is 2 presses, printer setup, option 3 of 9. So press OK to go in. Then we need to go along to language. So 3 presses of the right hand arrow to get us to option 4 of 6, which is language. We press OK to go in. And here we have a full list of all the different languages your printer has available. So we use the up and down arrow to get us where we want to be. So find the language you desire, press OK, and you are done. Now I hope that you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.